Here in the map you can see al-Khor Mall, and behind the al-Khor Mall you can see the Al-Tawasul Traditional Park. It is about 5 minutes away from the al-Khor Mall. What is up everybody? What is up Download Nation? Today I'm with my friends which are gonna go with me to a park. See you later. Right now we're walking to the Al-Tawasul Park. This park is only for families. This park is great for people who like to have morning walks or runs or just like to play in general. There is also a zoo and children will have fun seeing the animals in the zoo. Here we're in the football pitch and playing football. The area of this park is 28,500 square meters. And on 3 days of the week men are not allowed. This zoo is like a mini version of the al-Khor Park Zoo. There are also a wide variety of animals in this small place. People come here to play and have picnics in the weekends. It is also a nice place for outdoor people. Here I'm going to see the well. I just wanted to see how deep is it, but it's not that deep because I am the real Deep Patel. There is also an athletic track for runners. As you can see, it is really long. If you enjoyed this video, then thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you want to watch my upcoming videos, then subscribe. That's it. Al Tawasul Park out.